Good morning. Today we're packing Timothy haylage on the Haysoft brand. This is our own Timothy haylage grown here on the farm. They'll be packing this all day today. We'll walk up to the other end and see the bales coming out and how they're stacked on the pallet. Here for nearly almost 20 years now. This is the machine where we pack the haylage. It's grown out of the field, baled into big bales, half-ton bales, brought back in the yard here. Once it's fermented out in the yard, it comes in here, packed down into 20 kilo bales. There and here, take the bales off. The bale come out in a minute, seals it, goes on to the conveyor, goes across to the robot over there with the section on the back. Here we have a bale coming out now. He's now heat sealing the bale to make sure that retains all the moisture on haylage, stops it going mouldy. Puts another bag on the chute. Heat sealer finished. Grabs that bale, puts it on the conveyor. That goes across to the robot. This is our processing for the straw, BedSoft. We're on rape straw today. We've got bales of rape straw here, hung in the shed. They're brought in with a telehandler. The forklift comes in here, picks these up, brings them onto this conveyor here. This conveyor takes the bales out of here, take the strings off, the bales go up here, pulled into the mixer. It's chopped up. You can see that on the camera further along. So this is the process of what's going on in the hopper. The picture's not so good, but you can go and see an idea there. The straw then drops down into the hammer mill through a scratcher unit, takes all the stones, any debris out. Into the hammer mill there, which then goes up through the dust extraction unit up here. The dust is taken out, all the good chopped straw drops down through here, and it's taken up through here. Taking this cover off so you can see the product goes up through here, further dust extraction up in the top there. There. So here, this hopper here, the dust extraction straw is stored in here. It's augered through into this end. We've got our special process for applying smell and agent onto the straw here. It's then augered up through a series of augers up there onto the belt and into the top of the baler. We'll go up there and see the baler working. The conveyor up there carries the straw to the top of this baler. The baler was built by a company called Exergy in Italy, just outside Venice, specifically to our specification. This produces the bales, winds it, drops it down in, series of hydraulic rams, bale it, bales come out like that, push down sideways, flip it over as they come through here, as you see. Here we have our robot stacking BedSoft Bio and pink rape straw at the moment. Stack up to 5 bales a minute, and that works all day long, stacking pallets, 30 on a pallet, strap the pallet, and then that gets taken away, stored outside, on to the next one. Straw being brought in from the other farm on tractor and trailer. We bring it up to here, and this is our storage shed where we store it pre-putting it through our processing plant. So in this shed we can store about 1,000 tonnes of straw. That's about 2,000 bales, 2,000 half-tonne bales. And you can see we've got a mixture of rape straw and wheat straw. Wheat straw being the yellow one in the middle, the rape straw, the grayer coloured ones on the outside, and it's rape straw that we're unloading here at the moment. So all our waste plastic from the bales of haylage, any waste plastic from anywhere on the farm, it goes into this baler for recycling. Packs it into 600 kilo bales. You shut the door like that, press the button, that contains the plastic right down into a very, very thin bale. Goes off the recycling, I believe it goes to South Wales. We are out in our field of ryegrass. This is a new lay. That means it was planted this autumn. It's now January. This was put in beginning of September. Growing well. A few weeds to contend with. They'll be dealt with later in the season. Another couple of months. Bit of damage here, as we can see, where deer. We've got a lot of deer in this area. Deer have eaten patches like that. When it was very frosty a couple of weeks ago, you can see the damage there. But otherwise, on the whole, looking good. Looking good. BedSoft Bio in the pink bale, rape straw, BedSoft Original, wheat straw in the blue bale. These are picked, a lot of it goes out in full pallets straight onto the lorries, but in here we pick the bales for individual orders. Somebody who wants just 10 bales or whatever, pick from here. This goes out all over Essex, home counties, Hampshire, all over the southeast and East Anglia. BedSoft Bio been loaded on the trailer, ready for dispatch on Monday morning. It's Friday today. Trailers are loaded on a Friday, ready for Monday. So this trailer's just about to be loaded. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video of our process making BedSoft and how we pack Haysoft. If you're interested in our products, please get in touch via our website or social media.